Hey everyone, good morning. This is Mallika Boobna and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am vlogging from a new place and this place is my new house. I'm actually in the process of moving in, moving out, old house, new house and all that stuff. And I just came into this new house just to get the feel before all my stuff comes in and cramps this place with a lot of things. And I'm moving from a 2-bedroom to a 1-bedroom, which can be a little scary. Let me turn the lights on. Which can be a little scary, and it's a big downgrade because I have so much stuff, guys. I'm a big hoarder. I'm almost having like a mental breakdown, like that extent. But yeah, it's a fresh start, so we're not gonna complain too much. We're gonna be grateful for the things we have and move on. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of this house before my stuff comes in, and then I'll also insert a clip of the house I currently live at so you guys will know what I'm talking about. So yeah, let's start with the tour of the empty house. That was a tour of my little cute house, which is like empty right now, but will soon be crammed with a lot of my stuff. I do not know how will I fit my stuff. Whatever, you guys, I'm gonna go upstairs and yeah, do some packing and all that good stuff. The lighting is so nice here. I was so stressed with this entire moving in thing, guys, that I'd already packed my shoes. And while mom was unpacking those in the other apartment, I am wearing Uggs and going to meet a friend for some work, and I'm in the tube. Love that. Moving in, moving out problems 101. Okay, bye. Hey everyone, this is me, and as you can see by the getup that I have been moving and in and moving out for the entire day now, and I'm literally like my entire body hurts, but we have a lot still left. But I want to show you quick progress about how far we have reached. So yeah, let me just turn the camera. So that's the bed situation. It's really bad. Some of my jackets have gone down, some are left. It's all a mess. My vanity, my makeup cannot be moved because downstairs we do not have space for my makeup. Oh my god, so I have no idea where I'm gonna fit all this. And my mirror, there's no space for my mirror, so we don't know what we do not know what we're gonna do with this situation. And that is my birthday dress all arrived. I'm not gonna show you until a few days, so stay tuned. My washroom is still the same right now, but that's the haul. The shoe rack's gone, the shoe ben's gone. That's the trolley, which is a staple at this point. The office is a mess. Look at that. Boxes, tripod, stand, boxes, everything. This is all going to be gone. I have no space for any of this. And that bed, I have to say goodbye to that as well. There is no space. Coming to the hall situation, all the things for the kitchen has gone. The entire area looks so empty, you guys. Like, oh my god. The TV has to be put down. Everything from that side has been gone. My desktop, my keyboard and all that good stuff. But look at that. Everything is very empty right now. And yeah, slowly and steadily, this is not looking like my house anymore, which is good because that would make me miss it less or something. But this view, like downstairs, the view is nice, but it's not as beautiful as this one. And oh my god, the house is big. I'm gonna miss having a big house. But it's fine. Your girl is adulting. We're growing up. I'm going to behave like an adult and have a fresh start with a smile. So yes, I'm very happy because everything downstairs is looking really good. It's all settled down. So it is looking more like a house, which is amazing. I'm not going to show you anything up downstairs right now. You're going to be waiting for the house tour. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, let me go back to moving stuff. Bye. One quick update. So basically I was downstairs helping my mom with the clothes and everything, and then she's like, I want to drink something cold. So I'm like, okay, like let me just go upstairs and like make you some really like cold iced tea. And she's like, cool, sounds great. So I came upstairs and I grabbed the glasses. And 1 second. So yeah, so I grabbed the glasses and I put some ice in, and then I'm like, wait, like we've already shipped everything from the kitchen, so the icy packets are literally downstairs. So I'm grabbing my glass and my ice and I'm on the 13th floor now, so I'm going to get some iced tea and make her iced tea. Love moving in, moving out, whatever. Don't we? Bye now. Funny story, you guys. So I got the ice downstairs with the glass, thinking I can make iced tea here. I put in the iced tea powder only to realize that the water filter is still upstairs. So I'm gonna go upstairs again, get some water, and then finally make iced tea. It's called the golden pudding, you guys, and it smells amazing. Are we ready? This is my favorite bubble bar by Lush. This smells like, it smells clean and nice. I don't know how to describe it, but. Hey everyone, as you can tell, I just got ready. I got out of the bath and it felt so good. I feel amazing. And today I'm not gonna do my makeup because my skin feels very fresh. Look at my skin, like my nose is all red because of the water, but no makeup day for us. Saturday we are moving out. I'm just gonna go down to grab myself a cup of coffee and then we're gonna resume with the moving out process. Starting our day out right, you all. Cheers. We are doing the makeup clean out, you guys. And she's throwing away all my makeup. Hey everyone, so I just went downstairs to pick up some pizza for us to have lunch. Quick update, I'm not feeling very well. I just got my periods and I've been in bed while my mom is doing all the heavy lifting with all the moving stuff. I literally feel dead, like I'm not alive right now, so I'm gonna take a medicine, eat some food, and then resume the moving in process. I'm sorry if I can't film a lot, but that's because your girl's dead, so cooperate. Bye.
Many hours later.
We have officially moved out, you guys. Look at the house. Oh my god, nothing is left. Look at the house. That's how I received it, you guys, a year ago. And look how empty everything looks without my stuff. Oh my god, but it's such a spacious place. Damn, I'm gonna miss this house. Well, that was it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in like always. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. And I will see you in the next one. Much love. Bye.